Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Fork. In this video I'm going to speak again about Bitcoin, about Ethereum, about all the situation, about a lot of things that happening right now around the world, about the fear and greed index, about Bitcoin, about the situation between Russia and Ukraine, about everything. So stay with me. Let me speak about what I'm thinking that going to happen. If you like cryptocurrencies, you like to hear news about cryptos, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and give me more motivation to publish more and more videos. So right now the price of the Bitcoin is 32,700 US dollars. We just in the last 24 hours fell by 5.2 percentages. The Bitcoin dominance, I'm going to speak about the Bitcoin dominance, about the alt season, about the alts again, Bitcoins just in few minutes. But the most important thing is look what happened to the altcoins. Look what happened to Ethereum, 2,390, fall by 6 percentages in the last 24 hours. Look what happened to the Litecoin, to the ADA Cardano. I think that actually the performance right now of ADA, they are much better by technology of what is happening to Ethereum because of all the fees, all the stuff. But look how ADA is falling. But the most important thing here is the Bitcoin dominance. Right now, the Bitcoin dominance is 40 percentages. My last video was a few months ago when I told you in my last video, look what happened to the Bitcoin. If we are breaking the number of 41 Bitcoin dominance against the altcoins, we are going to very bloody market against the Bitcoin, and this is what actually happening right now. Be really careful, because if we are breaking the 42 percentages and the Bitcoin dominance going to be 43, 44, it means that since then the Bitcoin against the altcoins is going to be the biggest winner in the world. But actually, my video here is not only about the Bitcoin, it's not only about the Ethereum, it's about all the situation happening right now in the market, about what I think that will happen in the near future, in the long term. So actually look what's happening on the exchanges. The volume is rising. A lot of people are panicking, selling their Bitcoins. But again, if someone is selling, someone is buying. There are more sellers than buyers, but I will speak about the situation and why I think that this situation is really good. First of all, for cryptocurrencies, is really good for us, for people who is understanding why they need to do, because um every time in situation like this is the best time to make money. By the way, everyone, all the millionaires, billionaires, they're not making money in the bullish market, they are making money in the bearish market, because then they can buy in a very good price Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever, other Cardano or Polkadot. So let's speak about dollar dominance, dollar index. Again, all the currencies around the world, as you can see, the dollar right now is 103. They are breaking just new records, but every time when dollar hit these numbers, then he fell down to much lower numbers. And this means that if the Bitcoin is stronger, the dollar is weaker. If the dollar is stronger, the Bitcoin is weaker. So what's happening right now is actually that the Bitcoin is much stronger against all the currencies. And as you can see, the Bitcoin is falling, but right now we are in a very important level for Bitcoin and for the US dollars, because the Fed is rising the rates. And here is the big problem for the Federal Reserve. First of all, because if they are going to rise again the rates in the next meeting that will happen in the mid of June, it means that all the market are going to crash. And actually, this is very bad, first of all, for the Federal Reserve, and it's very bad for Biden. For Biden, for his government, for what's happening, for what he's trying to make right now the United States of America. So what I'm seeing right now in the mid short term, that yeah, the Bitcoin is going to fall. I'm seeing strong buy level at levels of 30,000 US dollars for one Bitcoin. It means that from these levels, the Bitcoin should fall something around 10-15 percentages. It means that the Ethereum should fall 20-25 percentages. I am waiting for Ethereum to buy more Ethereum at levels of 1,800. Again, it's not a financial advice, just I'm speaking about me. While the Ethereum will be at the prices of 1,800 US dollars for one Ethereum, I'm going to buy more altcoins and I'm going to buy more Bitcoin when the Bitcoin will be at prices of 28, 29,000. By the way, this is huge level for liquidations. But in this video, I'm going to speak again about Nasdaq as well. As I told you, this video not going to be only about what's happening with cryptos. It's very important, but I'm going to speak as well about Nasdaq. Look at this graph. This is very important to look at the last 5 years because then you can see better the map. Yeah. Look this Corona dump. Do you remember Corona dump? It was like 2 years ago in 2 months. A lot of panic in the markets. Look at your screen right now. It was here. While when the Nasdaq actually fall from 9,700 to 6,900, it fell something around 25 percentages, something like that, 25-30 percentages. What's happening right now is actually the same. Again, panic. Of course, we fall already by 30 percentages, something around 25 percentages. But again, the fear right now in the market, I really don't understand this fear because what's happening right now to the cryptocurrencies? All right, so the Fed is rising their rates. Um, all the conflict between Russia and all the conflict between Ukraine is, of course, it's very negative news, and this is why all the market is falling. I think it's logical. It's like the coronavirus in 2020. The same thing is happening right now. So yeah, there is a crazy fear right now, by the way, on cryptocurrency space, and this is why I told you that in the short term, midterm, I seeing that all the cryptos, Nasdaq, S&P 500, they are going to fall. But if you are looking to the long term, I think that actually what's happening right now, correction is very good. Federal Reserve, they are making higher rates to control the inflation. This is very good for the economic. So actually, where is the problem? The problem will be if this situation between Russia and Ukraine will continue for years. Then will be a huge inflation around the war, and then I think that 2008 crisis will be something like a dream for us because the situation will be much the world will be in much bigger problem. So always, by the way, but the fear and greed index, always when we're hitting these targets of 8 to 50 in the fear and greed index, this is very good time to buy. By the history, you can look at this fear and greed index and you can see that was a very good situation to buy cryptos. I want to show you as well the fear and greed index. Again, there is a crazy fear as well on the stock market. I really don't understand why it's happening, but it's happening. Again, look at this graph. It's something normal. Corrections happening. Look what happened in 2018 when the Nasdaq fall from 8,000 to 6,000. Crazy fall. But again, look at these crazy numbers. Even if you buy Nasdaq in this crazy fall with 6,000 per one, right now you made more than 100 percentages even after these crazy falls, after these crazy corrections. So I understand the fear in the market. By why I actually decide to publish this video is because of look at the liquidations levels in the last 24 hours. Was liquidated 422 millions of US dollars. These numbers are really high. It means that someone is losing a lot of money. And this is why, guys, what I'm telling you, when you are trading in times like right now, you don't know to where the market will go. So be careful with your trades. Look the liquidation of the long positions. A lot of people are opening right now long positions. The exchanges are seeing this position. They want to liquidate you. By the way, when you're trading with leverage, you're trading against the exchange. The exchange know exactly where is the liquidation levels. By the way, right now the liquidation levels with Bitcoin is 28, 27,000 US dollars. This is why I think that we will reach this level. Maybe we will make a quick touch to 25,000, but it's very hard to believe. If we are going to touch the 25,000, by the way, I'm going to make all in. I will put all my money in the market in Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA Cardano, Ripple XRP, Tron, and more cryptocurrencies. By the way, if this is interesting for you, how I'm building my portfolio, write to me in the comments. I will make another video about how I will make my next portfolio. There is a crazy support in these levels of 28, 29, 30. This is why the liquidation are at levels of 27, 28,000. We can touch again the 25,000. 25,000 is a very strong level. This is level when we were in December 2020. This is the time when we started actually to rise to the prices of 70,000 US dollars for one Bitcoin. Guys, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. If you like this video, give me more motivation to publish more and more videos and to share with you my thoughts. Thank you very much. It was CryptoForks, and see you in the next cryptocurrency video. Bye bye.